the birds who were sick, and the cat who was a doctor. Once upon a time, there was a family of birds who got sick. For many days, they coughed and sneezed, achoo, achoo, and generally felt awful. A cat who lived nearby learned about their sickness, and he decided to study medicine. Medicine is something that is used to make a sick person feel better. The cat bought himself a book on medicine and stayed up all night reading it. The next morning, the cat put on a doctor's coat and a doctor's hat and put together a little black doctor's bag filled with medicine and all the other things that doctors usually carry with them. And then the cat went to visit the birds. The cat knocked at the front door, but the birds would not open the door for him. "What are you doing here?" they asked. "I'm a doctor," answered the cat. "I've heard that you were sick, and I've come to give you medicine to make you well again." Now, everyone knows that cats sometimes eat birds. So, the birds didn't want to let the cat into their house. "Please, go away," they said. "We don't want your medicine." "But you should at least let me check you," said the cat. "It's possible that this sickness of yours might be very serious. Aren't you worried about your sickness?" "The only thing we are worried about is you," replied the birds. "Please, go away." And so the cat went away and never bothered the birds again. The moral of the story is, there are some people who will try to take advantage of you by pretending to help you.